My mic was muted. Hello, thank you for coming to my video today, guys. This is going to be a real quick live stream. I kind of wanted to go like Digital Fortress Charles style, where I just start a live stream, explain a couple things that are on my mind, and then just end the video. And then also at the end, I'm going to ask you guys a couple questions. So if you guys don't understand anything that I mentioned in this video, that's where the questions are going to come in. So if I don't explain something well, then feel free to ask me. But the reason, what sparked this video was I posted a video earlier, and it was using the new dataless wallet. Let me figure out what that video was called. It was just using the, it was just a video showing you guys how to use the new dataless wallet and in the Shelly testnet. And the Shelly testnet is what I made my videos on. So if you guys have seen my Cardano stake pool videos, those videos are creating a stake pool, and they're mainly for operators to get their pools up and running because it takes time to learn how to do this stuff. I recommend people build a node 5 to 10 times before mainnet even comes around. So this video was for that testnet. So my goal in this video is to explain to you guys what testnets are, why they're useful, all of the different types of testnets, and hopefully you guys can have a better understanding because, for example, someone commented and said, on that video and said, yeah, I don't get this at all. Shelly testnet is over. You can't participate in it anymore. So why would you make this video? It's only going to cause confusion. And that's what I wanted to come in here today, is just show you guys that these testnets are not useless, right? So you guys all remember the ITN. That is the incentivized testnet. That is not the Shelly testnet. What we are doing right now is the Shelly testnet. And the Shelly testnet is for people like me and other stake pool operators. We build our stake pools first to test the network, to make sure there are no bugs in the code, to make sure that we actually know how to run stake pools, we know how to do things securely, we need to make sure we have our networking and everything right. That's the Shelly testnet. That's going on this month, and it's going to be going on for probably the next 3 weeks. This has started 2 weeks ago. The incentivized testnet started last December, and this uses a whole different code base. This code base was Rust. The Shelly testnet, the testnet that we're in right now, is in Haskell. And there's a lot better explanations on this. Haskell is what we're using for mainnet. This is what Cardano is going to be built on. This is what all of our stake pools and everything is going to be run on, is Haskell. The incentivized testnet, that was all Rust. And Rust is a rapid prototyping language. The whole goal was to get something out fast, to keep us all happy, and then test some of the theories they had in their papers. And then a lot of people are confused about, what is this new dataless wallet? This new dataless wallet is for the Shelly testnet. It's only going to be available for about 3 weeks. It shows off what you guys can do for mainnet. This is why I released the video, because I think it's cool that you guys can get on there, download the wallet. You can see how the stake pools are ranked. You can see the different parameters, the way that they're ranked. And I thought it would be useful. It's also useful for stake pool operators to be able to go on there and see what their pool is ranked based on their pledge value, their fees, their minimum cost, and they're going to be updating this wallet each week, so there's going to be a lot more cool features coming out. So that was my whole point in making that video. It wasn't to cause confusion or to mislead anyone, and that's what, there's a lot of confusion because there's so many test nets going on. Test nets are important. They have to be a thing for us to be able to test things, for stake pool operators to know what they're doing, and for us to find bugs in the code. There is another wallet that's called Dataless Flight. Dataless Flight is on mainnet, and it's for them to rapidly prototype things in a dataless wallet, but still allow people to actually test out those new features. So the dataless Shelly testnet that I made for the video today, you do not have to use it unless you are interested in anything that I just said. Does that make sense? There's just been a lot of confusion around the whole testnet thing. And if you guys have any questions about testnets, lay them on me, because I get this question every live stream. I get this question on my comments all the time. So I thought I would just come out and make a video addressing this, you know. So just lay those comments on me. And then, so is there going to be more testnets? Yes. There's going to be a Voltaire testnet coming out early August. So I'm going to be making videos on how to download that wallet and whether it's useful or not. So there are going to be testnets after testnets after testnets. And you guys have to stay educated with my channel, with other resources like the Cardano forum or my Discord server. You guys are going to have to stay educated with this, because there are going to be testnet after testnet after testnet, because IOHK is pumping this stuff out fast. And a lot of this is important. A lot of it does need testing. A lot of it does need a lot of users to actually download these wallets and be knowledgeable enough to know that this wallet is specifically for the testnet, and this wallet is where I store all my money. And that's what I'm asking you guys, is do you have any questions about that? Because I just wanted to make this real quick video on it, and I hope I explained that all well. This isn't going to be like a normal live stream. I was just kind of going off the cuff to explain this whole testnet thing, because I had a lot of people on Twitter that were kind of angry at me for trying to essentially mislead the community or confuse the community because I keep releasing these wallet videos, you know. So I was just curious on what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, I'll stay on here for probably about 3 more minutes answering those questions. But Jason joined. Hey Jason. JJ joined. What's up, man? Jeff said hello from Chicago. What's up, man? Minister said hey bro. Danny said hey Pay. What's up? Hello Linda. Hello Cryptic. Red, green, blue, what's up, man? Matthew said, hey, if I were able to have my stake pool in a data center, would I have access through a virtual machine? Yes, you could, man. You would just SSH into it. Ant-Man said, somebody needs to do a stake pool workshop. Yeah, for sure, man. That'd require a lot of overhead, though, that's for sure. What happened with the results of the ITN reward vote? Will it be applied to the ITN? So Kaisel, the ITN vote, there wasn't enough turnout. There wasn't enough people that came around. So ITN's canceled, essentially. Vamy said, hey, buddy. Relax said, hey, Joe. For everyone tuning in, I just went on a big testnet rant. This isn't going to be a normal live stream. I was just answering a couple questions. Red, green, blue said, you've been doing good, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate it a lot. Red Green again said, thanks for all you do. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for stopping by just for this little quick testnet video. Wonder Sound, thoughts on the hard fork? Any risk? From everything they released, it seems pretty low risk. It seems like they did a pretty good job. They actually had a couple things at the summit explaining the technical analysis behind that. I did mention that, and I think in my weekly recap video, so you guys should check that out. Also, tomorrow around 1 o'clock, I am going to be releasing my summit recap video. It's going to be an awesome video. So I hope you guys enjoy that. But that's it. I just wanted to come in, explain these testnet things, explain all the testnets, and just try to clear up the confusion, because I don't want to confuse the community, you know. But like I said, if you guys are confused about anything, join my Discord server, ask the question. Either I or one of the great people in my Discord server will answer you. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Crypto said, hey bro, just got the hookup staking with your man Duck, thanks. Yeah, for sure, man, love Duck. Michael said, don't get too busy. I'm not, man, just want to do this real quick. Yeah, 90% did vote for yes, but I think there was only a 3% turnout, and that's off the top of my head. So, but yep, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day.